When a computer is upgraded from Windows 10 to Windows 11, the previous version of Windows is retained on the hard drive for 10 days. This is done through a special folder called windows.old, which stores the older system files. During this 10-day period, you have the option to revert to the previous version of Windows if experience compatibility issues, software problems, or simply prefer the older interface. This feature acts as a safety net, making it easier to roll back without losing personal files or apps. However, once the 10-day window passes, Windows automatically deletes these old files to free up space on your system drive. Well, if you need more than 10 days to test Windows 11 before deciding whether to keep it, there's a way to extend the rollback period. Microsoft allows to modify the rollback time using a simple command. Open command prompt as administrator, run command. dim/online/get-install window. The output will show the number of days. By default, it's 10 days set on your system currently. Well, if you see the error 1168 element not found, it means the old backup is deleted and you cannot go back to the previous version for the current version. Now run command. dim/online/set-install windows/value. In days, for example, I want to extend it to 50 days. To extend the rollback period to 50 days. Now again run dim/online/get-install window command to check the rollback period is changed to 50 days. However, you must run this command within the initial 10-day window before Windows Old is deleted. If the rollback period has already expired, or if your computer was clean installed with Windows 11 instead of being upgraded from Windows 10, the option to go back is no longer available through the Settings app. In such cases, the only way to downgrade to Windows 10 is by performing a clean installation. Click the I button link, how to clean install Windows 10 using USB. However, if you're still within the 10-day rollback period, you can revert back to Windows 10 easily through the built-in recovery option. Open the Settings app, go to System, then Recovery. Under Recovery Options, click the Go Back button. A pop-up window will appear asking share your feedback. You can share your thoughts here or click Next. Next, you will be prompted to check for updates and that may have a bug fixes for your problem. Choose No Thanks to continue rollback process. Next, it will prompt you to keep your PC plugged into a power source and back up important data before proceeding with rollback. Read it carefully, then click Next. The next screen will remind you that you need to know the password of the user account in the previously installed operating system. Click Next to proceed. Finally, click Go back to Windows 10 to start the rollback from Windows 11 to older version of Windows 10. Your system will restart and begin restoring the previous version of Windows. This process may take some time, around 20 to 30 minutes, but your personal files will remain intact. However, any apps or settings configured after upgrading to Windows 11 may be lost. If it's already been more than 10 days since you upgraded to Windows 11, the option to go back to Windows 10 through the built-in recovery setting will no longer be available. In this case, your only option is to perform a clean installation of Windows 10. This method will completely remove Windows 11 and install a fresh copy of Windows 10 on your PC. I hope you found this video helpful. Feel free to share your feedback on comments below. Thanks for watching.